everybody.
Hello.
Hi. I'm Chris.
My name is Kaisa.
We are so happy to be here. We're having a wonderful time. Can we please have a big round of applause for Maria and Rahel and all of the organizers? So many wonderful volunteers who have been here all week helping so much. So thank you to everybody. We've had a great time being here.
Yeah.
We didn't really plan an intro, but Kaisa and I met about 2 years ago when you were on a, not even, like a year and a half ago, yeah, when you were on a tour all around the Western Hemisphere, and we immediately fell in impro love with each other. We love working together, and this is our third chance to perform as a duo, and we're so happy that you're all here for it. Thank you.
That's a wonderful introduction.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay.
No, was it enough?
I don't know.
Do you want to say other things?
I hadn't planned to. Do you?
No, do we want to say something about Maggie and Fenja?
Yes.
Okay, so in addition to the two of us who are mainly on stage, we also have two wonderful improvisers behind the desk. Even more so, probably. But we have Maggie doing the lights for us. She's great. Oh, yeah. She's super. And then we have Fenja, who's going to provide us with the musical stuff tonight. Mm-hmm. So thank you, guys.
Okay, so we were talking, we don't do much warm-up, but we thought we would do the one warm-up we wanted to do on stage in front of you. It's one of our favorite things. We hope you enjoy it, and then we'll move on, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
This
Hill
is
so
big,
and
I
love
to
roll
down
the
hill
in
my
beautiful
garment.
when
I
get
down
to
the
bottom
of
the
hill.
there
Ice
a
lake
of
wonders.
water.
I
Dive
into
the water
and
swim
around
in
the
icy
lake.
a
Big
cave
opens
up
in
the
sea.
and
I
swim
into the
deepest
cave
I've
ever.
encountered.
Inside
The
cave
there's
is
a
big
fish
that
wears
a
crown.
the
Fish
tells
me
to
come
towards
him
and
I
go
at
the
king
and
ask
the
opportunity
to
serve
the
fish
king.
dumb. The king says
I
will
not
allow
you
in
my
realms
but
you
can
be
my
emissary
in
the
other
human
nature.
world.
I
Understand
and
where little because
I
like
that after
swimming
back
to
the
surface,
and
climbing
up
onto
the
bank,
I
wear
garment
and
and
a
badge
that
says
fish
king's
emissary. I
walk
down
to
Tallinn,
and
see
the
governor. What do you have? What's the leader of the person? Mayor?
yes. Oh.
The mayor.
Yes. I
Ask
The-
mayor
if
he or
has-
she he
has
a
relationship
with
the
fish.
king
He
answers.
no
Why
would
you
need
to
no
about
fish. The mayor is not a nice man. Is that true? Or is he good? He's good. He's okay. Do we like him?
no okay
Okay. Yeah. I
will
remove
my
letter
from fish
king
and
offer
him
it. The letter
says
who
are
occupying
this
space
of
nature
you
are
in
violation
of
sanctimonious.
my referencing
Say again?
Frank stick
Frank Dick, yes. And that is bad. Put away the letter. Good.
Okay.
The
fish
king
is
waiting
in
the.
office.
That's true, yeah. The
Mayor
is
shaking
with
fear
as
he
approaches
the
door
of
his
office.
inside
The
fish king stands.
very
tall
and mayor
of
the
Estonian.
Tallinn says
I
will
remember
this
day
forever
because
you
came
to
me in
Tallinn
ever.
again.
So
I
ask
you
to
be
my
king.
and
Let
the
people
of
Tallinn
be
your
subjects.
the
Fish King says
that
is the satisfactory
of
the prophecy. Yeah, good.
that have
Oh yeah. Watch
these
interaction.
and
Wonder
what
will
happened
to
my
job if
these
people
will
serve
the
Fish King, yeah.
I
will
not
need
the
emissary
badge
any
more.
I
Go
to
my
little
house,
and
put
it
on
the
shelf.
another
Day
of
enjoyment
at
the
office.
How was that for you?
Satisfactory.
Oh,
I had a great time.
yes,
Thank you.
there we go. Okay.
So Kaisa and I got lucky to meet because she was traveling, doing festivals and teaching all over the world and doing all kinds of wonderful things. And it always, whenever I see her, it makes me remember that one of the best parts of being part of this global impro community is getting to meet new people. So if it's okay, could we ask Maggie and whoever the technical people, can we bring the house lights up? And we're gonna just give like 2 minutes of our show for if you could reach around, look around, and find someone you don't know in the audience near you, and just like meet them, find out where they're from and why they're here and what they like, and make a new friend.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you all for doing that. It's nice to meet new people. Did anyone make a new friend?
Yes.
Some people did.
That's great.
Okay, Kaisa, we should do a scene.
With you?
No,
Did you
I
say
said we
should
should.
do? I heard. Would you do a scene?
Yeah, but no. Kaisa, would you do a scene with me?
I would be honored to.
Okay. Perfect. When the lights come up, we'll start a scene. So beautiful.
No sos tan gris, es que todo se volvió gris. Cerraron la puerta del sendero, perdieron la gracia del cartero. Antes eras una flor, pintabas el cielo de amor. Ahora que no tenés más vuelo, quedaste tan sola que vencieron.
The northern lights. They were this bright the night we met.
Do you remember when I first described them as like a screensaver of the 90s?
You did. That was not. Yeah, I remember that.
Because like when you put like, but it's alive.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
And it goes on forever.
Yeah.
It's so cold.
Super cold. It's really good. I'm glad that you're here.
I'm glad I moved here.
Yeah. That was a very big decision.
Yes.
It was the right
It
decision.
was. It was the only. There were two options. Either you would move here.
Or you would move
Yes.
to Phoenix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's super
Cold
hot in-
here. Yeah.
And it's super hot in Phoenix.
It's super hot in
It's
Phoenix.
better this way. For me.
I'm happy.
I'm happy too.
Good.
No, I mean.
Hey, these 2 years have been wonderful.
Yes. No! Oh my God! No! No! Oh! Shit! No! No! Do it! I didn't. Please.
When you said no,
No! Stop! No! It's. I got so. I didn't. Okay. Just let's breathe. No! 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 It's okay. I don't know what to. Okay.
will you marry?
Yes!
Al alma hay que darle de comer un poco de azúcar del estero, un poco de risa y caramelos.
So nervous. I'm sorry, Father. I know. Hi, Mom. For the rest of my life?
For the rest of my life.
No, you don't have to repeat after me.
Oh.
Do your own.
Okay, you're doing the balls.
We can do that. We can whatever you want to do.
Okay, do it.
For the rest of my life, I hope to make you as happy as I am right now, and as I have been ever since the moment I first set eyes on you, and since the night we took the walk, and you said that the Northern Lights were like a screensaver from the 90s, and you get me, and you complete me, and I will work for the rest of my life to do that for you. That's so good.
Just fall in love, just fall in love. In the night, in the song, I can't hit the ground beneath my feet, beneath my.
It was good of them to make the dinner for us.
Oof, yeah.
I cannot believe how much Thai food we just ate. And yet somehow I can't.
But you eat so much.
That's true.
It's amazing. But really, like the portion, like you, when every time when you, like with both noodles and rice, it's like a not like they're usually like a side dish, but you have like a.
I don't believe in
No,
side
no,
dishes.
you don't.
I just believe in dishes. Dishes and dishes. I'm sorry. I hope they didn't think it was weird.
Like no, of course.
They were.
Hey,
Hey.
you're great as you are. Do you know what is very like? It's not strange really, but it's an interesting thing.
What?
Like we've been together for 4 years,
Mm.
and I love you at least as much as I did in the beginning. It's true.
I know. I love you too. Would you? Could tonight be? Could we talk about starting a family?
What?
Es que todo se volvió gris. Cerraron la puerta del sendero. Perdieron la gracia del cartero. No te dejes más vencer. Al alma hay que darle de
I've
comer.
always imagined myself having at least a son and a daughter.
Okay, that's pretty good.
What do you mean pretty good?
No, I mean,
I'm
like-
telling you the truth.
No, I believe you, but the thing is, we can't decide that.
Of course not.
No.
I understand that.
Okay.
Have you imagined yourself having kids?
Yeah,
We-
well, yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Right?
When you okay, close your eyes. And when you imagine that, I'm there. I'm sorry. And how many kids are there?
2.
And
Yeah, two,
are they
and 2. No, not that's too much.
2 and 2?
No, I'll close my eyes.
Okay.
Two
And how soon do you imagine having them?
Well, I think are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you?
Sorry, go ahead.
I was just gonna ask. Can you imagine that it's gonna be very different?
Yeah. We have a lot of money. All the logistics are not interesting enough to put on stage, but it's going to be possible.
No, I know.
So now,
Yeah.
let's start.
Okay.
Let's try tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Es que todo se volvió gris. Perdieron la gracia.
No, we sit down all the time. These people want to go to sleep.
Oh, sorry.
It's beautiful.
It's a real baby.
I know it's a real baby. We made it. I know. We made it. We did. I think we should give
Give it
her.
to someone.
No. Yeah, should we? I don't think we should. I think we should wait.
Yes.
We should not give the baby away.
No.
I was going to say I think we should give her our room. Let her have the big room with it's got the window and the better heating, and it's right next to the room we had thought would be the nursery, but we could stay in there.
And I think that in the beginning it's good for us to stay in the same room.
That may be true. I've never done this before. Okay.
Will be good.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Terrifying.
It's so scary.
It's so small.
But it was super huge when it was coming out.
And you were such a champion.
No, and you were a champion as well. I bit you in the arm several times. It's like,
yes.
I'm sorry,
But it's no. That was nothing compared to what
I
you
was
went
going to
through.
say the same thing. It's nothing compared.
Totally.
Yeah.
The doctor was very kind. When he was bandaging me,
Yes.
he said this kind of thing happens a lot.
And I believe it now because I have the
Because you've
experience.
done, I should hold the baby so much more carefully. I love you.
Es más placer. Al alma hay que darle de comer un poco de azúcar del estero, un poco de risa y caramelos.
Got off the phone with the doctor. They said 102 is no. What's it, Celsius? Help me. What's body temperature?
37?
Good. They said 39 degrees.
What?
Nothing to worry about.
It's nothing to worry about.
Not to worry about. They said it's really bad. But it's already the number. I said it out loud. They heard me. So
I know, it's true now.
They want us to come in, but there's so much snow.
Okay, so we make a plan. So we do, we
Can we ski the baby to the hospital?
get the...
We should really, one second, I know this is out of order, but we should really give the baby a name. It's been bothering me for a while.
I was thinking about when we started this.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Time out.
Okay.
Okay, so when you brought the baby here,
Bought the
when
baby.
you bought the baby.
Yeah. No, it was not in the scene.
No,
We
exactly.
brought the
Okay,
baby
when
here.
you brought the baby here, I wasn't sure how old they were.
Now the baby is 4 years old. No, I meant 2.
So it's 2 years old and it doesn't have a name. Is that what you're saying?
I'm just saying I forgot the name.
Let's
of
go
a-
back a little bit and give the name and then.
Good idea. It's a little late to have brought her home and not named her. But I think this is the time.
Yes.
Oh my god, I know. Aurora.
I was gonna. Oh, that's super nice. I wanted to see. That's great.
Okay,
Yes.
I just got off the phone with the doctor.
So.
She says 39 is very serious and that we should bring Aurora to the hospital.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, but what's the problem?
The problem is that... Oh, the
snow.
fever, but also the snow. The snow is a serious problem. And I suggested skiing the baby to the hospital.
Yes. Okay.
But
so
I don't know if that's actually a thing.
It's possible. No, it's not very common. But it's doable.
Yes.
Let's do it.
I think it's our only choice.
Yes.
You take the baby, I will move the couch.
But she's 4 now. 2.
2.
Okay.
I will see you along the way, but I will
Okay.
be other characters then.
Okay.
But I still love you.
Okay, I remember that. Good. Okay, I'll just use one. Okay. No, I can't hold it. It's not possible.
Empty pockets well, a greater sense of well.
I think it's the same story, but I'm some other character who wears this.
Just wanted to make sure.
Yeah. I can't decide. Should I be a nice character or should I get in her way? No.
Not a nice
Got
one.
it. Not a nice one.
Oh no. Okay.
I'm sorry. Take good care of her, baby. What you got there? I stepped on your skis so you can't go anywhere. Well, you're doing Oh no! I'll give that back.
What do you?
I want to know what you got.
It's my baby.
I'm not gonna keep the accent up. It's terrible. I want to know what you got there.
It's my baby, Aurora.
It's a bad night. That's a pretty name. It's a bad night to be out in the wilderness with a baby.
Yes, but I need to bring her to the hospital because she has a fever.
She's got a fever, huh? This is what you wanted, right? Fever. Yeah, I've had fevers. I got a fever right now. I'm not making you uncomfortable in this scene, guys.
No, I love it.
Okay.
I love it.
Yeah, I got a fever, all right.
Okay, well, can you go on? No, please don't come closer.
Why not?
Because I really don't get the good vibes from you.
Well, that's not a very nice thing to say to a guy who's got a fever out in a blizzard in the cold north of Lapland.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you please let me go because my baby needs help.
Sure. There's a lot of people in this world who need help. I need help.
Well, would it be possible for me to take care of her first and then maybe come back to you? Try to help you out somehow.
Look,
Okay.
I need some money, and I need it bad. And I know for a fact you're not carrying any on you.
No.
Because
So-
you're wearing pajamas, ski boots, and a swaddling cloth with a baby in it.
Yes. So what can I do for you right now?
That's a nice ring.
It's my wedding ring.
Ah. Only I dance out here!
Yeah.
Give me the ring, and I'll let you go. Hell, I'll give you another ski pole so you can get there faster.
Okay.
Have a nice time at the hospital, Aurora. Thanks for the ring. What's your name?
Kaiser.
Kaiser. I'm Hell. I'll see you around.
When I think back to the first time in my childhood, when I saw that face, I thought right then, that's a real good-looking boy. I saw myself in the mirror, in profile for the first time. I thought, hey, that's a real good-looking boy.
To the hospital.
Thank you.
What's wrong?
It's my...
What? What? You have to tell me.
You want some water? Or just put this away. Is it you or your baby?
No, the baby.
Okay. Oh my goodness, she's got a fever. I could tell. Doctor, for God's sake. Oh, this poor thing.
Is she okay? Is she gonna be okay?
Well, yes, she's going to be okay.
Okay.
You have a seat.
Oh,
We'll,
no, but I want to see.
I will perform a medical miracle right now. What's her name?
Aurora,
How long has she had the fever?
like 4 or 5 days like this.
4 or 5 days like
Yeah.
this. Okay. What else would be a good medical question? I mean, does she
Like,
have
is she
any
allergic to
pre-existing
some-
conditions?
Yes, like allergic.
She's allergic to what?
No, I was just.
What do you mean?
No, I
you
want
have to tell me.
No,
I cannot help your
No, wait,
child if
okay.
you do not give me all of the information.
Pause. I was advising you to ask if she has any allergies.
And I'm asking you, and you're not telling me.
Okay.
Just name something. What is
There's
she?
no allergies. You can do whatever, but you need to do something fast.
All right. I have to be very precise. That's a good sign. That cry means the fever is breaking. She's all better. You can go home.
Thank you, doctor.
Too intimate. This has been an experience that has changed me. But if it was disrespectful, and I apologize.
It's fine, it's fine. Here, up in the north in Lapland, we're all friends.
Yeah. Well,
Okay, so can you give me a ride, or?
unfortunately, I am the only person who works at this hospital.
So you need it for other people too?
It is very possible that someone else will come in out of the cold, dark north in the middle of this deep, wintry blizzard and need
So,
assistance.
Mr. Doctor,
Yes.
when I came through the forest, there
Yes.
was a very creepy guy there.
Yeah.
Yes. You know him from before?
I have seen him in the forest, yes.
Do you know any other alternative route to go home?
There is one.
How is that?
If you traverse through the ice caves and across the frozen oil fields, you can return home to
Inari.
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 Yes.
All right. Can I just leave with her right away?
Yeah, there's no charge. This is the north. Everything is fine here. Thank God you don't live in the States. You'd be completely fucked. Okay. Kaiser,
Yeah.
are you picking Aurora up after school today?
Yeah.
Great.
Is that okay?
Yeah. She was telling me that there's some kids at school who she's been making friends with, and she might want to go over to one of their houses. And I said that was absolutely adorable and wonderful. And so if that happens, I just wanted you to know she has my blessing, I guess.
Nice.
You know.
Thank you, honey. That's great.
Yeah.
Okay, so in that case, I don't need to pick her up straight away.
I don't know. I was not very clear with the explanation I just gave, so it's unclear.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to figure out.
I think you have to decide. Do we trust her to find her way home, or?
She's 10.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Will be a woman. It's silly.
I am not Mahale.
I love you so much, can't count all the ways I've died for you.
Hey, Aurora.
All I can say is, he's not
Do you want to come over to my house after school?
Yeah?
Cool.
Do you want me to come over to your house after school?
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anything particular in mind?
No?
Okay.
I mean, no. Nothing weird.
Okay.
Not like my dad.
Oh no! Your dad's name, Mahal?
Mahale? Yeah, I think he is.
I heard Mom telling stories about him.
Really?
Yeah.
Everybody in town tells stories about my dad. It's so embarrassing.
It's probably because your dad is a bit scary.
I know. I know.
You live with him.
Yes.
Does he spend a lot of time home or
He's
only
always in
the
the
forest?
woods, yeah. He comes home at night to sleep. He smells like he's been drinking, and sometimes he brings home weird little trinkets and strange objects, and he has a collection of them. He spends all night singing to it.
That sounds unbelievable.
Well, it's true.
Okay, well,
So anyway, do you want to come over to my house? We can play games and stuff. I don't know, do you like, I have alcohol that we could drink, but I've never had any before, so I don't know.
okay, my question is, are we still 10? Or is this later?
That's up to you.
Okay, I'll come.
Okay.
Let's go to your house.
Okay, great. My dad only lets us have one chair. When he comes home, he's got to sit in it. But until then, I was thinking we could share it, if that's okay.
It's okay.
Cool.
Do you like my house?
It's very empty.
It's big and,
It's super big.
and empty.
Have you got your room upstairs over there?
Yeah. Do you want to go see?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
If my dad gets home and he knows that we're up there together,
Uh-huh.
I think it would be really bad.
Would it be?
Yeah, so let's hope that doesn't happen.
Yes, but he usually doesn't come home during the daytime, right?
No, he's just in the forest haranguing travelers. Yeah, up here I have more chairs. From the balcony, look, you can see all the water out on the river up here, the river in the north of Finland.
Inari.
Yeah,
Inari.
Yeah, Inarijoki, yeah, you can see all of it. Well, not all of it, but the big stretches.
Some part of it.
In the spring, the birds come and they land on this big fir tree we have here.
I like you.
I like them. I like them too.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, I think they're real neat.
Okay, so do you wanna like be my boyfriend? Is that
You? Yeah. I mean, no. Yeah.
Why did you say
I said no because I felt like it would be weird for me to say yes so quickly. But I'm sure if you didn't like that, I want to say yes. Can we just say yes?
Yeah.
Can we go to the dance this month at school?
Yes. Oh, do you want to go there?
No, I don't think that. I just give you my date.
Yes.
Cool. Oh, I think I hear my dad coming home.
No. Wait, go.
Someone has been in my house. Someone has been in my... Two people have been in my chair. Roger! I hear you up there. I hear you saying no. Who is that?
7 days.
Why not, Roger? Come on, boy.
Kind of ultimatum.
What's going on up there that you don't want your own dad to see?
She gave to me when I thought the field had cleared.
I promise you.
Seems another seems to challenge me. Oh, it's me. Though I hate to make a choice, my options are decreasing.
downstairs. Oh, Dad, I swear, there's nothing. There's no one here. I wouldn't lie to you. There's someone from school. Yeah? It was a girl, but she left a long time ago. I shouldn't have brought her here. I knew you wouldn't like it. I'm sorry. Boy. Who's that coughing outside? It's no one, Dad. It must be the birds coming back early from the spring. I know the birds are not here. I live in the forest, for God's sake. What we got going on over here? What? Okay, good. Who are you?
I'm Aurora.
Aurora. Where have I heard that name?
It was a long time ago. It was I was very sick when I was a kid, and I went through the forest, and my mom was skiing me around to the hospital, the doctor, and you were in the.
Is your mom Kaiser?
Yes.
I knew this day would come. Come on, for God's sake, don't get killed. And for the convenience of anyone who could be watching this, let's
Go downstairs.
finish it downstairs. Or you wait here unless we need you.
I'll dance with you for sure. Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay, guys. Okay.
My name is Aurora.
You know, I heard him say Kaiser, and
It's
anyway, good luck with my dad.
I like you.
You too.
Good.
Door's locked, don't bother. Sit. Got something I want to show you. It's not a baby.
No, it's. Is it?
It's a backpack. It's full of objects that have a great deal of meaning to me. Got this from a Canadian. Shouldn't have thrown it. No. This emerald I got from the Queen of Nepal. Yeah, Kaiser told me, thank you. I'm finding it, don't worry. I'll give this to that girl over there for helping move the couch over.
Is that my mom's ring? What's that? What's your son's name?
I think Roger.
Roger!
I'll get him.
Go get him. We have 1 minute left.
I gotta get him. Better hurry up. Okay. Aurora, my dad just told me a bunch of really weird things.
Yeah.
But I don't have time to repeat them. This ring belongs to you.
Or my mom.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever. I want you to take it, and I want you to tell her my dad's real sorry about what he did. But more important than that, I do really like you.
Do really like you too.
I was wondering if after the dance this weekend, if we could go for a walk down by the lake.
Oh, they have had a really good forecast for the Northern Lights.
It's funny that's your name.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that'd be real nice.
Let's do that.
Okay. Oh. It's real pretty.
Corazón cardenal
Just like you.